This 5,000 kilogram billet is the foundation of the Sukhoi Su-35, essential for structural resilience.
Check the thermal gauge. It's fluctuating near the upper limit.
Confirmed. Adjusting the parameters now.
Cross-referencing against Process A limits.
It's within tolerance. The spar is cleared for integration.
Check complete. Process A certified.
Affixing tag.
Process A sees the large Su-35 and forward doors loaded onto the AGV for inserted on steam material.
The thermal profile is holding steady. Process A is nominal.
Confirmed. The structure is stabilizing as expected.
In the pre-assembly staging area, laser trackers verify sub-millimeter alignment as the fuselage skeleton is secured for welding.
Check the alignment on the port side, making sure the hydraulics clear the bulkhead.
Looks good from here. We're ready for the next sequence.
The routing control hub handles the split decision.
Alignment looks spot on. Ease it in slowly.
Rugger that. Connection secure. Finalize the lock sequence.
With high-priced precision, the engine nacelles are maneuvered into position. Laser
Make sure that edge is completely sealed.
Yeah, got it. The laser alignment looks good over here.
Temperature profile is holding steady, right within tolerance for Process A.
Confirmed. The stabilization phase is complete.
clear of FOD on the intake curve.
Confirmed. Logging process A completion. Final sweep complete. No fluorescence detected.
Confirmed. Clear to close the panels.
Alignment looks good. Pass me the thrust vectoring harness.
There you go, making the connection now.
Empty weight confirmed at 18,500 kilograms. The center of gravity is within the envelope.
Consistent with the calculated weight and component tracking data.
The transfer is complete. Readings look good.
Confirmed. Engaging the induction coils now. Process B is active.
The massive Hydra slams down with extreme pressure, instantly shaping the glowing titanium. As the steam
Shutter blade is surface ultrasonic scanning.
Look at the leading edge readings here.
Yes, perfectly within the green zone. It's a pass.
A microscopic laser engraving system precisely etches a unique serial number and batch code onto the blade.
All Process B components meet the extreme safety and performance criteria for flight-critical usage.
Each certified turbine blade is individually placed inside a custom-designed, anti-static, foam-lined plastic enclosure.
The titanium blades are immediately cross-referenced with the digital manifest.
Confirmed. Verified for assembly. Stable operation confirmed. 0 fault codes.
Okay, inserting the scope now.
Check the leading edge for TBC degradation. See any signs of cracking near the root?
The thermal barrier coating is fully intact. We can confirm successful endurance verification and sign off on the flight certification.
The aircraft demonstrates its full operational capability, showcasing the power of the high-performance turbine section. The high-precision Process B titanium turbine blades handle the tremendous forces within the engine core. Confirmed.
The sustained flight confirms the long-term reliability provided by the Process B titanium turbine blades.
The mission is complete. The high-precision titanium blades once again demonstrate their reliability as the engines power down.